go to the present or what?
Yeah, present.
Alright. Move your body. Whoa. I didn't die. Don't worry. Oh my god, bro. I see you. Be careful. You're cooked. It's the lightsaber. Why? Oh, okay. Bro, we need to kill this chicken. Oh my god, let's go! That was lucky. I killed myself with it. I shooted the eye. Let me revive you. Hold on. Alright. This is gonna be your gifts. That and don't take that. Don't take that. Don't take that. These are gonna be mine. Actually, just keep them there.
Wait, doesn't this have explosive ammo?
No.
Oh.
Yo, bro, I got an RPG, and we got ammo. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Too easy. Yo, there's a mimic, and he's green. Nah, there can only.
Bro, I hit that mimic with a snowball, bro.
Bro, there could. That's actually insane, but there can only be one Oliver here. That was a bad idea. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, I got a flamethrower! Almost killed me, bro. It's fine though, cause I didn't die. This is serious. Actually, no, it's more impressive to be honest. That's right. Think about it. Another grappler, huh? Come in here, bro. And where I am in real life. Saved! Saved! Oh my god! Oliver, you want what I just did? One. This is the clutch! That was insane! Oh my god! I killed the other guy. Yeah. And I... Damn! Die, you demon. We got our shotgun, we got our shotgun ammo. Shut up! Well, I'm gonna kill every... I need more ammo. You're stupid! Let me deal with her. Don't break it. Bro, do you see this?
Lightsaber!
Bro, do you see this? Why would you break it? I just said I'm cooking worms, okay? I didn't have to kill you. What the frick is this?
What's this code for?
Why are you guys in this code?
Squid Games? This is for Squid Games. Do you also want to play Squid Games? It's for Squid Games? Yeah. I'm just
Frick are these kids, bro?
Oh,
Bro,
but
your Oculus is
If you want to play Squid Games.
Frick no!
If you want to play
Bro, bro,
Wally, if you want to play Squid Games.
no! Bro, bro, should we get our stuff and then put it in the stash and then go and drop the else? Okay, what is wrong? Idiot. What idiot? Such an idiot, you stupid spider. Ah! This is our code. Actually, I don't even care really, but we're about to leave. No one else is in here, buddy, so good luck with finding people.
the other kid is searching for people. Bro, my thing will work.
Don't even think about me. What's my battery? Oh shoot, I'm glad I got off. I'm at 23. That's what I hate when people say, let's do Squid Games, guys, who want to do Squid Games? In a private server. They just join it and then you tell them to get out and then they're just like, who wants to do Squid Game? Who wants to do Squid Game? Or,